Hey, what's up YouTube? So I got a new project. Not sure if I'm going to keep it or not, but just picked it up because it is an RSX Type S. So supposedly the head is low compression. I think there's only like 30 psi in each cylinder, so most likely the timing belt jumped and smacked the valve. So that's probably all it really needs, but most likely I'll probably just be selling the block and head separately for somebody who wants to build a K20 and just kind of drop a K20 Z3 into it. But I'll show you guys the body. Most likely I will be selling the rims, so if you are interested, just let me know. They're the A-Spec package. Let me get you more detail. They're pretty good condition. I don't see any major road rashes or anything on them. Tires need to be replaced though. The tire size 225 45 17s. And this tire is actually flat, but wheels in good condition. So I mean, I don't know, let me know what you guys think on this project. Should I just sell it, part it out, fix it? I do have a Type S head I could just slap on here to get it running, so I'm not sure, but I've had a couple people interested in shells, so I might just be keeping this actual swap and selling it separately. Who knows? Show you guys interior. Clean title car. Seats are always ripped as usual. I do have some more seats if anybody is interested in the shell. But other than that, it's decent. I'll show you guys back here. Has like extra seats. Have a extra pair of rear seats. Other than that, it looks all stock, which is cool. It doesn't look like it was modified really at all, besides well, actually nothing. There's nothing really modified on them. I think the car's lowered. So let me know what you guys think and get you guys a better view of the interior. And if anybody is interested in the shell, you can give me a email at honda.mike1988@gmail.com, or you can hit me up on Instagram, KSeriesWorks. I am willing to sell the rims, like I said, separately. I'm most likely going to be taking them off tomorrow and selling the shell if I have somebody interested in, but probably like within a week, if the car isn't sold or anything, I'll probably just put it back together since it is a clean title car. But like I said, let me know what you guys think. Steering wheel is kind of not too badly worn. But yeah, this videos is basically for, I mean, I'm gonna post it up on Craigslist right now, and if anybody needs to actually see the whole car, sometimes pictures don't really do it justice, but everything is stock, as you can see. Airbox, still has the stock headers, so it was never modified, probably never really abused, probably just someone who just enjoyed the actual RSX Type S, which is, like I said, they're really good cars, but everybody just wants the motors now. So if anybody needs a block, also, I'm pretty sure the block is good. So if you need a block or a head that has some bent valves that needs to be rebuilt, let me know. Comment, like, share. Let me know what you guys think about the car. I mean, if I should sell it or build it, drop another engine, let me know. Maybe we can get a part 2 project going on, but that's probably going to be the end of the video today. I'm going to go start getting ready to go work on another K-swap car. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys next time.